Hello and welcome to GAIACHI's Spiritual Awakening. This is episode 5 and I'm Leeann. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Now today I thought I would just do a higher heart light language activation. The energies are so high at the moment and people are struggling. So I thought it'd be nice that you could just relax and just take a nice deep breath in and just allow these codes to flow in through your body. Now what I want you to do first is just drop your shoulders and just allow yourself to relax. Then I want you to take a nice deep breath in into your heart space situated in the middle of your chest. And as you breathe into this, feel it expand. And then I want you to go just above your heart space to your higher heart, situated between your heart and your throat. And just gently breathe into this area and also allow it to expand a little. Now I want you to imagine a beautiful figure of 8 starting in the middle of your higher heart. And I want you to see this figure of 8 go all the way up to your throat, back round through your higher heart, down to your heart, and back round to your higher heart. This beautiful flow of pure unconditional love between your throat, higher heart and heart. And as you concentrate on this beautiful flow of pure unconditional love, allow these codes to flow in through to your heart, higher heart and throat. Look toi me kitik tishko toi kitina la kete mo la tetai tikitusto okoko nai kaiki ke mo lok le tish tene mo koko inete makoto ikite mo la tai me kite tekusto koto ti mo lokoto to ma kite moloto ya matli te mo koto le mo le kishke te kate ka maketi kate mo koto koti kate kata nu to koto shkoto te mo kluk dok tini kiti koto no mo kotai ni kiti ka shkoto le pa koto te kere me ke magli le shkoto koto ni kite mo kitata ke tushkoto tai ni te kosto la nia ta tai to tai ne te mo to le klete kieta toikti te motto toisti likle motto toinete tuina nana mai oe ai nei te ai nei mo ai me ai mokko toi taina nei molo toine ikipo tusto nei na ikite te ma itite motto toi ne te motto sto Klo, totokite ana kiti mo tokko to ite kile me to ste ne kite te mo koto to ikite ne te ni ana nai mo to koto ne kiti tika mo koto tik shkoto ne kiti makati ma klik le mo kolok le ne kwati antikite mo to kite ne tai ikite to shkoto ina katai mo koto to ne tekite le mo toite mei te motosh tai lepine am papa iketeata ikete mokotosh ketena klek me auto imete moto toyete nete malete ma poto toy me kikete toshte nike moto toy me kitena keta ikeke mokoto ikete pulo kluto to tikusko kimoklo to iketene ke pakaka kite skotai kite mokoko tai na klekle makakai ipikete no toshko toite ma papa inete moto toi meke te moto toi ke mia tatai ne ma popo ikite molo toi tai ikiputusto nieta e male ma pietai e me ke koto ikenete toi ti punto toi te ne te mo toi tai ni mo toi ste le badai ne te poto tai koto ina kakai ikitustoi ema kai kike mo kokoto Likkite toshkataini ja papakatienatai. Ikimo koto tolekletene kiti mo. Likkime koto kotoi kitishkoto. Lina tamatiki tikoto toikitene. Tuitistinne boto toimitiala tataiputustoi. Ipatoi maata taiti muututoi. Kitishketoi le motoiti malataine tipu. Poetine tishtukutoi. Kinala vakiatatai. Ikitumo. Ulumuko koiteste. Ikitipukoko hinne. Millä tätä emotustolle teine pukkotoi. Pito mototoine teteine motuskotoine. Pulutuno tatai aamakakai. Ekiskotoi keteen naakata. Eketen akakai muulutoko. Koko kaine keteka. Ema kokoshko tole klennavi. Ikete muuluklutovin. Mbukotoi kitene kite mukotoshko toi. Iketena naamakoteina. Mukokoi kietesh kitena le mateki mototoina. To breathe back into your heart space. And I want you to see it slowly retract back. Then go up into your higher heart and slowly see that retract back. And keep visualizing this beautiful figure of 8 that goes between your heart, higher heart and throat. This beautiful, infinite flow of pure, unconditional love. And I want you to feel me place my heart above yours and just feel that flow of pure, unconditional love. As that floods through your whole entire body, allowing these light codes to filter gently in through your body. Now be gentle with yourself over the next few days. Allow these codes to gently flow in through your body and take what you need from them. Allow whatever comes up over the next few days to just gently be released in pure unconditional love. And just surrender and just feel that pure unconditional love within your heart. If need be, feel that flow of pure unconditional love from my heart to yours. And just allow and be in the flow of accepting all that is and releasing all that was. Take care, beautiful souls. And remember, if I can help you in any way, please let me know. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Take care. Love you all. Bye.